What's good? What's happening, guys? Well, me and my son. Wow. I tried to go up there, but you know, I kind of went to the side a little bit and went straight in the creek bed, man. Y'all should have seen that. My son laughing at me. I'm laid to the side. Take me, let me see you guys. I'm all wet and everything. But that's what it's all about. Man, I tried to get up there, but I just fell to the side. Top Fly X, let's go. I'm gonna bring it back up. I know he ain't gonna try. Go ahead and get the HP, bring it up. Oh, man, that was fun. I'm laying right in the creek bed, guys. I'm telling you, in the creek bed. But it was kind of leaning to the side. I try to power through and tip. Let me get all my stuff up. Now I was just walking in. just walking in, cause yeah. Nah, you ain't gonna make it, son. You know, I don't want you to get hurt because you still in the sheriff department, you know, so. Man, my seat got, oh, I got stickers now. Stickers on my seat. Woo, man, that was a blast. I had fun. Cooled me off too, because I was hot. Man, you better walk across. You better walk it, I'm trying to tell you. No, you can't make it. Don't try to power through. But that's what happened to me. I just tilted to the side and went straight to the side. Oh. Huh? You got your brake on? We'll take it off. You don't believe me. I'm gonna have to stand in the water to make sure you don't tip over. You know, this could have been, I should have went this way and it came up. No, that's, well, yeah, I don't know, cause that's kind of leaning to the side too. I told you. Good job. He got you down there with that bump. Go. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. And my son picking on me because he said I failed. He said I failed in slow motion. Okay, we going. Let's get out of here. Orlando, hey man, we going. But I'm glad I didn't get that on videotape because, guys, I'll tell you what, my whole side of my body was in that water. No, ain't no handprint. Let's go. Ain't no evidence. You can see that. All right, guys, see, we on the backside of Metcalf Trail, or which goes back up to the library over here. And yeah, I'm drying out. I'm getting kind of my shirt's starting to dry up a little bit, but my son and I, he's in the back. And just checking out the trail because they finished the cement bridge going across, and the wood bridge that heads up to, I think it's Ohio, and it should just wrap around to the library, to Aragon School, elementary school, and then we're gonna circle around just to check it out, and then we're gonna take off again. And so check this out. I got my screen's working pretty good, and so it was working really good, especially on the roads. Very clear, good resolution. And I got to give a shout out to the Southern Striker because he hit me onto it. And guess what? It is waterproof. Because it went straight in the creek bed. All right, guys, so far the ride has been excellent, except for that little tip over. But other than that, we're on the back country roads, getting ready to head home. Nice little ride. We're gonna make this left turn up here, I think it is. A little further, yeah. Yeah, I love that house to the right. Yeah, make a left. Yeah, I like that. I like that house over there. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, this is where I almost tipped over here too. Okay. You see all those little wavy ruts? I came through here about 4 o'clock in the morning, hauling tail. And I was fishtailing all over the place. We're gonna make a right. Now you feel it? I told you. See, now you're fishtailing. I told you. Oh man, that's shaky. Make a right over here. Back here, yeah. Yeah, they live over here. New neighborhood. I love the shot of the mountains over there. Right, man. So it's gonna be a big neighborhood. Yeah. A rancher would be nice with a basement. Yeah, because I usually ride back here too. Just do a complete circle. I'll do about 10 miles. Then go home. What's that sound like? Huh.